special delivery.
Okay guys, Carty Carty back with a update on this amplifier, guys. First let me say this repair was a headache, guys. This is a real headache. I put the amplifier up and everything and went to give it a little test, and guys, this amplifier wasn't clipping on, wasn't coming on. I didn't know what the hell to do, honestly, because everything was okay, everything checked out to be good. Plus his MOSFET was reading to ground, so I was like, the power supply I clip chipping in and out, and I was like, wow, that's something weird. I do everything, hook up signal, put this on it, the speaker wires, and try to play it, and nothing. But I know that those this but something was reading to ground, which, yeah, that was a big problem. So I stopped, look, I reminded, took the circuit board out of the circuit. I started to check everything around, see if I saw anything that I wasn't supposed to solder, some solder bridge and something. I was about to take all the power supply, guy. It was a power supply that shorted out, and only to find out the guys that one of the pad here, yeah, that to put the transfer, one of them got loose, wasn't on one of the transfers. So I don't know how it falls off. I always make sure, but what that one got me, and that's the amplifier. Put one, replace it. Yeah, not really replace it. It was on the on the floor. I was, telling, man, guys, you have to be careful when doing this stuff, man. Especially these iron amplifiers, yeah. So I was so happy that none of the power supply blows up. Then after that, now, guys, switch on the amplifier. The funny thing, this amplifier comes on. Let me show you. I pour it up. I did really want to give it a check, and then I see the amplifier comes on with the. Remember this. I'm not using this right now. It comes on with this light being orange, and normally that would be a clip light. So it's a protect clip signal, and then on. Ha! So that's what got me. I thought it should turn on in blue right as it turned on. It doesn't do that. This amplifier is so, it does. Let me show you guys it. Alright, let me show you right here, guys. This amp, yeah, the light is right here, and it comes on in orange. And I was like, that's kind of weird. So I'm here trying to turn it out to see if it pulls up in orange. I know sometimes the caps are not fully charged, because the bank I have is just to repair these. It's not to like play them, So sometimes I have to switch on the power supply, comes on, then I switch it off again, switch it on, then it amplify it pop. But that wasn't the case with this one, guys. It still stays in orange. And if I play it and I start to turn the volume up, this turn to blue. Depending on the signal, like if the signal is too high, it turns to blue, and when it's low, it stays on orange. Which I don't know, maybe that's the way it works, but it's working fine and everything, so I don't let it bother me. So let me pour it up and see what it kind of comes up in now, what color. Maybe I'm gonna have to take this phone off for you guys. I think you guys will hear the bass. Maybe not. Let me play something. If not, I'll just take it off and let you see that it's playing. Alright, I have instrumental on. Let me turn this on. See that, guys, comes up in that, and it goes straight to orange. As you guys can see, it's an orange color right there. Let me push the show like this so you guys can see it. Come on. Yes, here you could see you have a nice little orange color. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but there's some music you can see. See that, guys? It goes into green, blue. As soon as it starts up, it goes into, you see, then it comes up to, I don't know why it keeps doing that. I guess that's the way it works. And it seems sometimes purple, I don't know, But let me take this off here and from here. Let you guys see that everything is working here. You guys get an annoying sound just to make you guys let you guys see that's working. Alright, so that's it guys. So yeah guys, so that's it. So it's playing. Lay it down. And it's working fine, everything's okay with it. I just don't trust the chance that they gave to me because they eat up more than the other original ones. But you know, I'm going to show you something guys. With the chip from the original one that was in this. This is a big chip in this. Let me see. I don't know. I can't get the focus to work perfectly on this phone. This chip is reflect. Come on. You could see. Maybe you guys could see it, but it's a big chip that's using this one here, guys. Right, the camera is here. Or yeah, camera should be right here. Yeah, right here. But it's not. The focusing on this camera is just. It's really bad. I don't know. I've been trying to get it to focus, but the chip sizes, guys. Put it in my hands. It's like that. Yeah, I think you guys can see that, you know. This is the original, you know, everything. And one, that was I got from the company. I told them I need my refund back. It's like, let me show you if I have it here still. Yes, guys, look at this crap they sent to me. This little thing here, look at this. With this, look at that. Yeah, look at that chip size, guys, comparing to the ones I showed you before. This here, I'll show you. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Totally, man. Plus, they run more, eat faster than the other one, you know, for some reason. But that's it for this repair, guys. Please like, subscribe if you like what you see, and please, guys, stay tuned for more. And this was the repair of the SQ9000X. 9000X. I hope I didn't say 900. If I said that, guys, it's the 9000. So, yeah, guys, this is it. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. I don't remember if I told you guys, but let me check something here before I go, guys, and see. So these are the IRFP 67, no, 4768, IRFP 4768, and these are the, let me take one of these off. I just select this, guys, see, that's for the output, and for the power supply you have the IRFP 4004. That's IRFP 4004. The power supply MOSFET. And the driver IC is the thing is the regular suspect. For these iron ones, amplifiers from Brazil, SI8244BB. Alright. So that's the SI8244BB for the MOSFET drivers. And that's about it, guys. And the caps are some 250 volts caps, 1500 DUF. And that's, you know, that's pretty much about it, guys. I hate those MOSFET these people send to me like crazy. Man, oh man, oh man. But guys, everything is good, everything works perfect, and no issue with it. Yeah, but that's it, guys, for this repair. And please like, subscribe if you like what you see. You know, guys, please support my channel. I can support you guys. I told you before, you know. Yeah, you help me, guys, I can help you out. Like this little thing they put here is slime aluminum. It's so the air go through it from the fan straight through. Cool. Yeah, it cools better like that. That's really nice. But guys, that's it for now. Please like, subscribe. If you like what you see on CNC Electronics, Carty and Carty is out for now. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys, all my subscribers. Please like, subscribe, and ask me anything you guys want to ask me. I answer as quick as I can and as best as I can, because sometimes, guys, I really get caught up in my regular job that I have. This is the one I only do on the side when I have time. Wish one day I could make it my original, when I get a place and something and, business booming. But please like, subscribe if you like what you see, and thank you very much, guys, for watching. All right, Carty and Carty out for now.